All right. So what we are learning? Straight drive and off drive. Straight drive and off drive. Start with the leather ball or regular ball? Leather ball.
I thought I was going to do like the off.
Okay, so where are you standing? Where is your wicket? Go a little further. Yes. And then are you on the leg stump? Good. Bend down little. Your body should be straight. Yes. The bat is perfectly fine at that level. So what we are doing is move your feet on the middle stump. No, that is too far. Middle stump is too far. Yeah. There is middle stump, still off stump. Go a little more back. Yeah. So what you do is, I'm gonna be throwing the ball here. Good. So this is how you play, but you move your feet forward. And how you move the feet? You move the feet like this. So you're standing here, you move the feet like this, and you play the shot. After playing the shot, the bat should be staying like this. Okay? Good. So you move the feet. Awesome. That's number one. Good. Good. But remember, after ball bounces, don't wait. Ball falls and you hit. Did you get it? And you have to bend your knee. And you have to ready. Okay, all right. Good. After hitting the ball, what did I say? The bat should be like this. Good. You're doing a cross bat. The offside ball, yes, the bat should be straight like this. Yeah? You're hitting missing every ball. It's bad. Which is your place? You're supposed to be there, you're already standing outside. Where is your bat now? Every time when you tap the bat, look at the wicket. Where are you standing? Are you standing under the line? Good. Good. The back foot should not go away. You play the shot, you move like this and the back foot stays like this. Remember, you move like this. Your ankle, when you move your feet, the ankle goes first and the bat goes back. The body transfer happens, then you play the shot, moving the arm down. No, bad shot. Tap ke, after tap you look at where I was standing. Bad shot. Are you moving your bat properly in the back and then you're leaving like this? Good. Good. Don't wait for the ball to bounce. The time it falls, you hit it right there. You're hitting cross bat again. Everything is recorded, you will see. Bend first and stay back. You just stay like this and the head should be like this. Don't bend like this. Hitting the ball? Okay, look what I'm trying to say. Throw the one or two balls. So you are standing under the leg stump, look here. When you tap it, look at the wicket. Are you at the right spot? Then move your feet and then you play the shot. You stay like this, you go and then see my bat. You do, go see my bat. Go see my bat and then you play the shot. A straight bat, after hitting, you have to hold the bat like this. Hey, no hitting on the top. Let it fall first. This is all timing. Standing, knocking, checking. Tap, check, back. Stand straight. Good. After hitting the bat, you hold the bat up. Good. If you hold the bat up, you know if that is a straight bat or it's a cross bat. Good. Again, you're bending down. Don't bend down. stay here. Bad. You already didn't move your feet, is bad. Move the feet to the ball. Good. But the ball is going leg side, that means you are doing something wrong. Good. Leg side, no leg side, offside. Bad. Tap and look back. Where are you standing? Where is the wicket? Is it good? Tap and good. Don't hit on the before even falling to the ground. Right now we are practicing when it falls to the ground you pick it up. Standing properly, go back a little. Yes. Head ready. Bat straight. What did I say? What did you do? Okay, good. Now let's do the leather ball. Let's do the leather ball. How you do the leather ball? What you do? Don't hit this ball. Let ball falls and pick it up. Falls. Move your feet to the ball, near to the ball. As much. Stand straight. Bend down. Wait for the ball. Ready. Good. Take the ball near to your feet. When the ball falls here, you hit it. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Good. Now you're gonna start hitting. Okay.
Okay, so now do I hit?
Yes. Are you standing properly? Yeah, you're good. Bad. You didn't even wait for the ball to fall. Good. But you're hitting on the toe. If you bring it back quickly, good. The shot is good, but you should let the ball fall on the ground first. Bad shot on the toe. Toe is worthless. Bad shot because you hit on the toe and without even waiting for the ball. Wait for the ball to fall down, right? Wait for the ball to fall down. Yes. See the sound of the bat?
And why is this on inside the house?
Now you do catching, okay? Put all the yellow balls, then I'll show you catching. You hear me? Chalo, let's catch the ball. Put the bucket on the right side. Okay, put more right side. Don't stand in front of the camera. More, stay here on this side. Yeah. Now leather ball catching. Don't catch like this. Hold the hand together. Let the ball come to the palm, not on the fingers. What is this? Like this? Like this? Like this? Hold the hand together. Let the ball come to the palm. Not like this. Hold the ball hand together. Good. You never catch the ball like this. Good. Good. Bring the hand together. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. Bring the hand together. Chalo. Let the ball come on this. Not on the finger, on the palm. Next. 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 Quick. Quick. Catch the ball. Catch the ball. What's this? Ball should not hit your stomach, any other organs. Bend down and ready for the ball so that we can catch the ball. Okay? You don't stay like this and then do like this. That's the ball. That's the ball. Good. That's good. Now are you getting confidence?
Yes.
Okay.
Should I call the shot now?
No, Ishan is done. Let's do some power hitting shot.
Oh, it's not even done yet.
You are not done yet. Cut your fingers, you didn't play for so many days.
And I'm still catching another ball and I cut my finger.
You don't have too many balls. Again, tap, look back, where are you standing, bend your knee down, stand ready. This time when the ball comes, you move your feet but you do not wait the ball to fall on the
This
ground.
time do I just hit it when it's in the air?
Right in the air, in the middle of the bat. This one didn't hit the middle of the bat. You missed it. Don't do all the adjustment.
I'm not adjusting it, I'm doing that.
Tap, look back and stand
I
straight
am.
with the bending
I'm
knee
not
down.
adjusting
Where is your
anything.
knee bending? Shit. Why you are not hitting the ball straight? The ball I'm giving you here on the off side, you are hitting on the leg side. After tap, look at the wicket where you are standing. Very bad. This is what you hit all the time with the toe. This is good. Bend and look and ready. Very good. Very good.
It was going to the net.
You're always moving, you're trying to move your bat on the leg side. Before even looking where the ball is. See, this is your off wicket. Any ball falling here is the offside ball. Again, you are hitting on the bottom. You are picking the ball at here. You have to pick the ball at here. Ready? Very bad. Because you are slow. You are not moving your hand faster enough. Very good. This is what you need. If you hit from the toe, it's worthless and it's going to get out. Or at least you don't get any run. This is what you have to improve, Ishan. Timing. Always pick the ball in the middle of the
Bat.
bat. That means you figure out how you move your feet quickly. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Much better. After tapping, you look at the wicket, right? Where are you standing? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Beautiful. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Coming in the middle of the bat. Ready? Tap. After that, look at the wicket. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Coming again, good. Tap. Look at where are you standing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Very nice. Tap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. After hitting, you have to hold the bat. So that we see that we are in hitting which direction. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. This was a much better shot. That's why the ball went there and the bat was straight. Bat straight is important here. Okay? Maybe this is the last round. This time you're gonna move a little bit further and try. Let's see if you can go further. But you don't want to do now.
Not
So,
now.
okay, regular.
Yeah.
Tap, look back. Good. Go. No. Didn't work.
Way too.
Move your feet quickly. Very bad. You have to say ready if you are ready.
Ready.
Good.
Ready. What am I'm trying to
You're
kick the
moving very slow.
Ready. Ready.
Much better. after hitting, you have to hold the bat in the air so we can see that okay where his direction is going.
Ready.
Okay, getting a little better.
I didn't say ready.
Okay, good. Okay.
Ready.
Good. All right, done. Nice, good job. Go, unpack it.